Mastering Dumbbell Bicep Curls, a step-by-step guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to dive into a very specific but popular fitness term, dumbbell bicep curls. Whether you're interested in fitness, looking to expand your vocabulary, or simply curious about this term, you're in the right place. Let's break down what it means and why it's important. Before we get into the specifics of the action, let's look at the key terms involved. Dumbbell. A dumbbell is a type of free weight used in weight training. It can be used individually or in pairs, with one in each hand. Bicep. The bicep, short for biceps brachii, is a large muscle in the upper arm that helps control the motion of two major joints, the shoulder and the elbow. Curls. In fitness, a curl is a type of exercise where you bend your arms or legs in a lifting motion. Putting these terms together, dumbbell bicep curls refer to a specific exercise that focuses on strengthening the bicep muscles using dumbbells. Performing dumbbell bicep curls involves a series of steps to ensure you're working out safely and effectively. Here's a simplified breakdown. 1. Starting position. Stand up straight with a dumbbell in each hand, arms fully extended, and palms facing forward. 2. The curl. Slowly bend your elbows and lift the dumbbells towards your shoulders, keeping your elbows close to your torso. 3. The pause. Once the dumbbells are at shoulder level, hold the position for a moment to maximize the contraction in the biceps. 4. Lowering the weights. Gradually lower the dumbbells back to the starting position. Dumbbell bicep curls are not just about building muscle. They offer several benefits. Strengthens the arms, primarily targets the biceps but also engages the forearms. Enhances grip strength. Holding onto the dumbbells during the exercise improves grip strength. Improves joint flexibility. Regularly performing curls can increase the flexibility of the elbow and shoulder joints. Versatile. Can be performed almost anywhere, making it a convenient exercise for many. Thank you for watching our explainer video on dumbbell bicep curls. We hope this breakdown not only helps you understand the term better but also inspires you to incorporate this effective exercise into your fitness routine, if you haven't already. Remember, whether you're at the gym or at home, taking the time to learn and perform exercises correctly is key to achieving your fitness goals. Stay healthy and keep learning.